round 3. We'll roll over to here, Canterbury Park. Cruise over here. So they have a casino here too as well, horse track, but it's kind of a state-run casino. So in here it looks like you got 10 grand. Like the Daily Woo and Large Marge. He's got something like that. He bought one. Not bad. It's a quick little one to get around. Big ass tires, these suckers. Oh my goodness. Look at that sucker. Those electrical ones are cheating. I don't know if they are or not. Don't know. She wants a pen. I gotta get her a pen. There's some nice ones there.
Also, it's deaf, not dead.
These are all electric too here?
These will be all electric.
Oh yeah. 10 grand for this bad boy. Oh, look at this bad boy.
Yeah.
Look at that sucker. Get up and go. Get people in the back. A lot of people buy these, haul people around. Stop and go. Yeah, they're all electric. They don't have gas ones anymore. This is your basic one. Drive around your community. Free delivery. My father-in-law used to make stuff like this all the time. Want old lures. And one thing about these things right here, happy autographs, you can't even, I mean, it's Joe Mom, you can't really read it. You have no idea half this stuff. You can't read it. Old fishing stuff right here. Old lures. Look out, they're gonna get you. Wall of shame. Must be the ones that were no funny for sure. So these must have been taken illegal or something.
Oh yeah, yep.
Way to go, boys. Idiots. I know. That's too bad. This guy's got a whole bunch of lures. There's more vendors coming up here, I guess, so believe it or not, I want more fishing lures. Look at all these old lures. Look at that.
Yep. You have a website you sell stuff on?
I have a Minnesota Facebook group.
Yeah.
Made in Minnesota. This is everything I buy.
I'm gonna go over here now. Some more stuff back in here. It's too bad they could have had it. But it's free parking, but the casino will make people come. So cruise into here. So let's go cruising over here. See what they have down here. So I don't know what's down here. If anything, I smell food. You kind of go this way. Clothing galore. Got wallets. I do need a new wallet one of these days. State Fair I go when I get one. Popcorn double adventures.
Not gonna burn your face, but you get good heat.
Some more barbecue. More sauce. The Old Henry original barbecue sauce. Oh my goodness.
For you want a different one? I'll try a spicy one. Spicy one?
Nice.
How about you, sir? You want to try any spicy?
I'll take a mild.
We
Mild.
have our original garlic honey or spicy.
I'll
The
take honey.
original was my grandfather's family recipe. That's
Okay.
in there. That's also what I serve in my food truck.
Good.
Because we have podcast, so I created these other flavors based on grandpa's adventures.
Yeah. Yep.
I'm up by St. Cloud. St. Cloud? Foley area. Honey, you said, right?
Yeah.
The jars, fellas, are $8 even. They have a 3-year shelf life. We also have our sports show special, the 4-pack, one of everything.
Thank you. All right, let's see.
I will take a spicy one.
Let's see how it tastes here. You ready? Here we go. Good.
I know it's going to be close. These are going to be
Good.
closer to 2,000, but I just got left and right turn signals. It's got the new EP, so I'm going to hold that
Hello.
down.
What's this stuff?
I'm just
Oh.
talking to.
Oh, okay.
That's her business.
Oh, okay. Old fashioned, huh? Nice.
Well, that's a good creative one.
Keg invited to every party. Nice. So you must little mini pig anywhere you go. I see. You have all kinds of. Look at this little thing you cruise along here. Sit on that bad boy.
Yeah,
The
no,
little
it's-
scooters.
It might not be by Joel.
This is our first show, probably.
Well, you guys interested in a raffle ticket?
Over here. Look at all those things over there. Oh my goodness. Look at these animals. Look at these crits. Look at these crits.
For, I think, in 3rd grade. We all had to write a report on an animal.
Oh, goodness. Textures. Look so real, don't they? Look at those. Do not touch the mouse. Red squirrel, badger. Oh, goodness. Oh, yeah. Look at that behavior. Nice. Of course, you gotta have this stupid thing right here. That's ugly as hell.
I've either seen the same food all
Of course, you gotta have the hot tubs. Damn right. Have one of these before I have a pool.
I didn't know all that.
Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. A lot of people here, so I gotta be careful how I video it. So I'm trying to keep it down low, so that's why. I don't try to put people in the video unless they want to be. It's a nice little hot tub. 12 grand for that bad boy. I could have that. Make it hot and cold. These are Greenworks. That's 4 grand. I could have that. That'd be nice. That's nice. Mm-hmm. These bad boys. That's a nice one right there. That's when you go on the lake, that one. It's kind of nice. Look at that. Getting rid of the snow blowers. Uh-huh. Snow blowers, perfect timing. Those are I'd like to have one of those, but I have something like that, but I got an electrical one. It's a plug-in one. It's kind of nice. So, very nice. Over here. These are kind of cool. I have a rebate that says 14 grand. I've seen one of these before. These are kind of cool. For sale, $60,000. Oh my word. Hello. That's a nice view. That's nice.
Thank you.
Oh my God. So get over here, you got this bad boy. Look at this sucker. 15 grand, be a fun one to drive around in. Look at this bad boy. Of course, you've got furniture, which I've always liked. These things are cool. But anyways, guys, these are kind of cool. Well, looks like that's about it. Hope you enjoyed it. The 3 videos. So I'm going to take some pictures for my calendar, and I don't think there'll be a 4th one. So talk to you guys all later. Hope you enjoyed the journey.